Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where you can't change the resolution in Gothic 1 Remake on PC. If the resolution settings are locked, grayed out, or simply won't change, follow the methods shown in this video. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, launch Gothic 1 Remake. Once you're in the game, open Settings. Now click on Display. Locate the display mode setting. Change the display mode to windowed. Once you switch to windowed mode, you should now be able to change the resolution. Select your preferred resolution. If that didn't work, move on to the next solution. Solution 2. First, open Steam. Go to your library. Right-click Gothic 1 Remake and select Properties. Make sure you're on the General tab. Locate Launch Options. Now paste the command provided in the description of this video. Replace the resolution values with your monitor's native resolution. For example, 1920 by 1080 would be this. 384x2160 would be this. After entering the command, close the Properties window. Now launch the game. Once you're back in the game, open Settings. Click on Display. Then change the display mode from borderless to windowed. This should allow the resolution settings to function properly. Your resolution settings should now work correctly. You should now be able to change the resolution in Gothic 1 Remake without any issues. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Gothic 1 Remake fixes and PC gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.